Sit straight. Today we will break this into two phases of meditation. एक तो 7 chakras का will create a vibration for sure, but we will also do a round of the Panch Pran, understanding the concept of Panch Pran first. अभी तक हम लोग को मालूम है कि पंच प्राण में the 5 different types of pranayam that we are doing is 5 different ways of breathing. Now, what is pran? Pran is something that unites the Panchabhut or the 5 elements. The example is, till the time you are breathing, your body is together. The 5 elementary body is together in a shape, size or whatever. And from the time you stop breathing, it starts breaking up. Means जब तक हम लोग सांस ले रहे हैं, we are called as living beings. When the breath is stopped completely, this is called a dead body. And when the body is dead, slowly it vanishes. Where does it go? It was a complete body, but where does it go? It again merges back to the 5 elements out of which it is made. So what was keeping the body alive is your breath. So what was keeping a body alive is your breath. So understand, hence it's called pran. When someone dies, you must have heard this word said, उन्होंने अपने प्राण त्याग दिए. Means the particular person has stopped breathing. Till the time you are breathing, you are alive. The moment you stop breathing, you start to die. Hence, if you observe yourself, you are dying every time you exhale. And you are again taking birth every time you inhale. This also resembles one very important thing in our life, is that we get an opportunity to live again every time we inhale. But we don't value this. Hardly a 10% of the world population does pranayam every day, understanding the value of their breath. Rest. Just breathing casually. जैसे चलता है, हाँ ठीक. The moment you start running, you will suffocate. सांस लेना शुरू जोर जोर से. She's video call. So, understanding the value of breath is actually understanding the simplest reason of life. Life doesn't need anything complicated to be happy. The moment you start dreaming of complicated things, your happiness goes away. Life doesn't need anything complicated. Life needs simplicity to be happy. And the simplest of the thing is what you're breathing, air. It's because of this air or oxygen, to be precise, that all the 5 elements unite. Earth, water, fire, air and space. If these elements have to unite and each and every element have to survive in its particular form, then without oxygen is impossible. For example, we are sitting on the earth at the moment, and earth has life. Now, how does life comes? Life comes because of water. Other planets, they don't have water, they don't have life. Earth has water, hence it has life. Now, what is the composition of water? H2O. 2 molecules of hydrogen, 1 molecule of oxygen. Now, here also oxygen is such a simple. It's just retaining one element of it, one molecule of it. And hence, when this water enters the earth gives birth to life. Without the water being absorbed, life is not possible. Hence, the first element of your entire body, of your entire chakra system, is the earth or the Mooladhara. The existence of Mooladhara itself is because of the prana, because of the air, because of the oxygen. Now, the second element is water. As I said, once water touches the earth, then the earth gives birth to life. So, second element on the earth is water. Now, what is water? Again, as I said, is H2O, 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. Here also, without oxygen, the second element is not possible. Without oxygen, water is not possible. Okay. Now, what is the third element? Fire. Fire without oxygen will destroy life. But fire with oxygen will produce food for those who are living. It will not emit carbon monoxide or whatever gases. If it's pure oxygen, then you will have sacred fire. In your body, your stomach, if it has pure acid, and what acid it has concentrated hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, it operates when you eat something, and what is the role of it? When you are eating something, it has a lot of carbs. So HCl actually destroys the carbon particles in your food, and it releases the nascent oxygen form of food, which has been absorbed by your body as your immune system. The immunity of your body is again dependent on oxygen, which is processed inside your stomach. So the fire element to burn also needs oxygen or air. Now, what is the fourth element? Fourth element is oxygen itself, air you are breathing. Anahata chakra, your heart is functioning, your lungs are functioning, is because of the oxygen. As pure oxygen you practice to breathe, that much of deposited carbon goes away of your body in the form of carbon dioxide. Now, what is the last element? Last element is space. So, unless there is a freedom, unless there is a purity within you, you cannot attain space. Because till the time you are keeping all the impurities within these 4 elements, which doesn't have excessive supply of oxygen, your cells will be corrupt. And once your cells are corrupt, it will give birth to the diseases like cancer. For example, what is cancer? Previously or till last year, almost all the doctors used to treat cancer as a genetic disorder or genetic mutation of your disease. But the recent study by a very famous scientist who won Nobel Prize in 2000, Thomas Sheffield, he has proved it that cancer is not a genetic disorder. It is the mitochondrial corruption of your metabolic health. Like your cell has mitochondria. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जैसे हमारे शरीर में पेट है जो खाना बनाता है, इसी तरह हमारा पूरा शरीर छोटे छोटे माइक्रो सेल से बना हुआ है, और हर सेल के अंदर एक स्टमक है जिसका नाम है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्या करता है? सेल के लिए एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है. एनर्जी कैसे प्रोड्यूस करता है? थ्रू द ऑक्सीजन दैट वी ब्रीथ. और वही हमारे सेल्स को हेल्दी रखता है. इनके शरीर में किसी भी कारण से कहीं ऑक्सीजन नहीं पहुंच रहा है तो वहां पर द सेल गेट्स करप्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज नॉट एमिटिंग फायर यूजिंग ऑक्सीजन, इट इज स्टार्टिंग टू एमिट फायर यूजिंग कार्बन. और जब भी कार्बन को यूज करके वो अंदर से हीट जनरेट करेगा, वो पूरे सेल को धीरे धीरे अंदर से बर्बाद कर देगा. और इसी तरह एक के बाद एक सेल करप्ट होंगे एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन ऑफ करप्ट सेल्स और कैंसर. इसका भी इलाज है ऑक्सीजन. हेंस व्हाई आई टेल यू अबाउट द पंच प्राण प्राणायाम बीइंग सो इंपॉर्टेंट इज दिस इज द ओनली वे यू कैन कीप योरसेल्फ naturally healthy and fit. So learn the art of holding your breath. Don't suffocate by breathing fast. When you are absorbing oxygen, spend some time with it, because as long as time you are spending with the oxygen, that much time it will spend inside your body to attract the carbon molecules and throw away in the form of carbon dioxide. Hence your body and all the organs will get clean. Yes. अगर बॉडी में कहीं अचानक सडनली पेन हो रहा है, इज बिकॉज वहां पर ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है और योर सम ऑफ द नर्व्स हैव गॉट कंप्रेस्ड, जिसके थ्रू से ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड उस एरिया तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है.
सडनली कभी एक झटका आ जाता है.
Yes, absolutely.
चला जाता है.
It's all because all of a sudden कहीं चोट लग गया, मसल स्प्रेन हो गया, पेन होना शुरू हुआ, बिकॉज इट हैज गॉट स्टन्ड और वहां पर सर्कुलेशन रुक गया.
और ये जो क्रैम्प्स आते हैं, ये ऐसे कभी टेढ़ी हो जाती है, ये सब चीजें और
Yes.
because of that.
शरीर के हर भाग तक ऑक्सीजन कैसे पहुंचाया जा सकता है? कैसे? एक तो प्राणायाम है, लेकिन दिन सुबह से रात तक तो आप प्राणायाम नहीं करते बैठोगे. वाटर इज द इजीएस्ट सोर्स. आप बॉडी में सबसे ज्यादा सर्कुलेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग वन हु हैव फॉलन इन लव विद द 5 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स हैव क्रैक्ड द कोड ऑफ बीइंग हेल्दी. डजंट मैटर व्हाटएवर वेदर इट इज, हाउएवर द कंडीशन इट इज. 5 एलिमेंट्स. पहला एलिमेंट से कैसे कनेक्ट होंगे? नंगे पांव जमीन पे चलना सीखिए, सीमेंट पे नहीं, जमीन पे. ठीक है? एटलीस्ट फॉर 20 मिनट्स स्टार्ट वॉकिंग ऑन द सॉइल फॉर with naked legs. Second element क्या है? Water. Drink at least a cup of water every half an hour. Doesn't matter whether you're thirsty or not. Your body will have ample water to create a good circulation across. You will remain young. Third, fire. How will you connect with the fire? अपने आप को आग तो नहीं लगा सकते, इसीलिए धूप के नीचे बैठो. 15 मिनट धूप के नीचे बैठो. You'll connect with the fire element. Your body will create ample vitamin D. Vitamin D will again form a reason for creating more good healthy red blood cells, जो कि vitamin B12 create करेगा बॉडी में. छत के ऊपर जाइए, घर के आसपास कहीं ना कहीं कोई पार्क होगा, थोड़ा सा लेजीनेस से निकल के पार्क तक जाइए. ठीक है? पॉसिबल है. ठीक है? तो फायर एलिमेंट के साथ आप जुड़ गए. फोर्थ एलिमेंट क्या है? एयर. प्राणायाम कीजिए. एंड द फिफ्थ एलिमेंट इज स्पेस. यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ वाइब्रेशन. हाउ? ओम. ओम इज समथिंग दैट क्रिएट्स अ वाइब्रेशन इन योर होल बॉडी. ईच एंड एवरी सेल्स ऑफ योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग एक्टिवेटेड. जो ये 5 प्रैक्टिस हर दिन नियम के हिसाब से करता है, वो इंसान अगर बीमार पड़ भी गया तो 70% मोर रैपिडली दे गेट हील्ड. उतना ही जल्दी वो हील हो जाते हैं. तो इसीलिए 5 एलिमेंट्स के साथ कनेक्शन जोड़ना है. कनेक्शन जोड़ लिया. ओके. सो आई वांटेड यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पंचप्राण प्राणायाम. We are not doing Panchapran Pranayam today, but I wanted you to connect to this because every time we are reciting the 7 chakra mantras, you have to take a deep breath. And the reason behind that deep breath is you're filling yourself with life. And your life is completely focusing on each powerhouse or each socket of the 7 chakras, how they are connected with. So I have said you the connection with the Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, मणिपुरा चक्रा, अनाहता चक्रा, विशुद्धा चक्रा, आग्ना चक्रा, और ये अभी आएगा. ठीक है? ओके. Om is the mantra that connects the five elementary body with the Supreme. How it is? Om is again divided into three parts. A, O, Ma. So when you are saying A, the A is the creation, Atma. Now your body, in a living body, Atma resides in the navel. So the pronunciation of A actually creates a vibration in your navel. It should not be like shouting नहीं ऐसे नहीं करने का है. आराम से feel it and realize that on the lower note, so till the time your navel completely squeezes in, keep on reciting this A. Then when you say O, it resembles your spine. From your navel till your Agna is O. O. Just realize that you are lifting yourself up. O. You have reached here. And the third part is silence. Because this is where you are leaving this body and going beyond. When these three connects, you just live as a ringing bell vibrates and creates a vibration all around. उस फीलिंग के साथ ओम का प्रोनाउंसिएशन होना चाहिए. Okay, so let's do a 7-time chanting of Aum. Okay, so sit straight. So when you say A, your pronunciation will focus on the navel with the lower note. तो मुझे सुन के आप लोग उसको रिपीट कीजिए. जब O करेंगे, your mind should be focused on your spine, reaching to your forehead, and then the silent, it should connect you to the super soul. Sit straight. Eyes closed. Listen to me and repeat. eyes closed and just stay lost in this vibration. Realize your presence. Feel that being a worldly being, right now you are absolutely isolated. And you are isolated not with loneliness, but with yourself. The soul right now has shredded the thought of being a body. You are no more a body right now, but you are realizing yourself as the core which is attracting the five elements to unite and take a shape. The moment you have left or shredded the blanket of ego, all the five elements will get shattered in pieces and reunite back to the five elementary forms. Now let's travel one by one to the 7 chakra points. So first chakra is Mooladhara chakra. The element of Mooladhara chakra is earth. Earth is something that is hosting life, but is hosting life with the power of invisible. As I've said, Pran. Pran is invisible, yet without that you cannot live. Pran is the simplest of things which is available in ample for every living being, doesn't matter what count they are. And yet it doesn't have any ego, any shape, size, or any color. The element earth, the part of your body which is firmly gripping earth at the moment, that is below your spine, at the tip of your tailbone, which is giving balance to your entire body. This point is called Mooladhara. Mool means the source, the base. Adhar means the reason. The reason of your balance is Mooladhara. The reason why you are still walking and you are not falling onto the earth is Mooladhara. Mooladhara is the chakra of confidence. Mooladhara is the chakra that gives balance to your life. Mooladhara is the point upon which your entire life balances itself. The mantra for Mooladhara chakra is Lam. The color of Mooladhara is red. Element is earth. Mooladhara is also called the root chakra because it grips yourself to the soil. So the determination, when we represent through any of the signs, we do a thumbs up. So in the case of Mooladhara, right hand do a thumbs up, left hand be the platter on which your confidence has been placed. Now touch it to a navel, deep breathe in and decide after me. Lam. 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 Silence. Now, above the Muladhar is the reason for life. What it is? Water. Without water, earth cannot give birth to the life. And hence, if we see our body structure, below our navel is water, and that is the place where life is being seeded. This is the place where the life grows. Swadhisthana Chakra. Element is water. Color of Swadhisthana Chakra is orange. Orange represents creativity because it's been taken from the sun. Early morning sunrise gives birth to the day. Evening sunset, the orange sun gives birth to the night. So every time it's orange, it gives birth to something. It's creating something. The mudra for Swadhisthana Chakra is a yoni mudra. So here, both the hands straight, enclosing the middle two fingers and touching the tip of the open fingers and inverting the same, this becomes the yoni. Now place it on your navel, press it a little deep. The mantra of Swadhisthana Chakra is VAM. Recite after me. VAM. 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 Silence. Now just moving up above your navel is the kitchen of your body. Now, why does a body needs a kitchen? Because there are so many trillions of family members in the body in the form of small cells. And every cell needs food to survive. And hence, once every cell survives, the whole body survives. So, कहीं तो खाना बनना चाहिए. So that is your stomach. आप जो भी raw material डालते हो यहाँ पर it should cook. But the unfortunate side of the modern day is that we eat everything pre-cooked. So there is nothing left to be cooked inside your stomach. And hence, what happens? The stomach naturally reduces the acid because it feels that it's not required because we are already eating or consuming the pre-processed and pre-broken materials. And hence, it will start rotting inside the stomach because of the lack of acid, and that gives gas. And that gas will push the residual acid to the esophagus or down towards the anal area, and passing through the anal area, that means through the colon, it will start damaging the walls. When it goes up, it will damage the esophagus. Through the esophagus, it will damage your throat, it will damage your lungs and create gas, that means carbon everywhere. And everywhere the carbon is reaching, it will start corrupting your cells. And that is how the various forms of cancers happen. So it's very important to eat more of raw based food. It's not highly processed or nothing, not at all processed. What we used to eat 20 years ago or 30 years ago, so that 30 years ago you were not born anyway. Okay. So 30 years ago, 20-30 years पहले जो raw food होता था ना, वो हम खाते थे, हम healthy रहते थे. And yesterday Bharti was saying one thing very rightly. आजकल का modern days का जो diet plan होता है ना, is nothing but the same food that we used to consume 20 or 30 years ago. वही चीज हमें फिर से याद दिला के they are charging 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupees. हम अगर खुद सुधार ले अपने आप को, तो उतने पैसे भी बच जाएंगे और हेल्थ भी बचेगा. ठीक है, जस्ट स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स. ओके, तो किचन में हमेशा आग जलना चाहिए और उस आग में खाना, जब भी खाना हम खाते हैं वो पकना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसको एक्टिवेटेड रखने के लिए वी शुड बी कनेक्टेड टू द सन. एज आई हैव सेड, सन के नीचे बैठना, विटामिन डी बॉडी में क्रिएट करना, ये सब बहुत बहुत रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, फायर इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ द मंत्र फॉर दिस चक्रा, मणिपुरा चक्रा, बाय द नेम is very interesting. It's Ram. Ram, अर्थात the Ram Naam that we do is the same Ram. Now why the name is Ram? Because Ram was Suryavanshi. So he was fire himself. Okay, and Ram was sent to this world to make people understand how to live this life. Hence your Manipura chakra does the same in your body. If you understand it properly, if you treat it properly, your body will survive by itself. So we need to take care of the Manipura chakra very interestingly. So with a due respect, hands on hands like this, pressing your hands above your navel, we'll recite the mantra of Ram for 7 times. Deep breathe in. Ram. 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 Silence. So we have covered Mooladhara, Swadhisthana and the Manipura chakra. The next chakra is Anahata, that is your heart chakra. The heart chakra, it resembles emotions, sentiments, love, and more precisely, foolishness. Because when we think from our heart, we forget our brain. And the moment you start thinking with your heart, you do everything foolish. So, the lesson from this is, stop being foolish. Use your brain and then use your heart. Not use your heart then use your brain. It should not be vice versa. So brain का कुछ role तो है. What is the role of your brain is it analyzes everything outside and also gives you indication what is right, what is wrong. Your heart doesn't do that. Your heart should be connected to the actual practical functioning of it. It should not be like मैंने तुझे दिल दे दिया, प्यार हो गया, ये किसी से प्यार नहीं होता है, बकवास है, सब बकवास है। प्यार व्यार, इट्स ओनली इल्यूजन। द ओनली लव दैट यू हैव इज द सेल्फ लव। इफ यू डोंट हैव सेल्फ लव, you will suffer. If you have self love, you will be happy. A person who loves himself or herself is the happiest person in the world. A person who is in love with everyone else except themselves are the most foolish and idiot person in the world. So the first love is start loving yourself. When you start loving yourself, then you will only do the things you love to do. You will not compromise your dreams, your happiness, or anything for anything else. And if someone is trying to, trying to act like a businessman with you, कि मेरे लिए ये काम कर दो, you will already know कि ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. Many people think in this way कि वो बुरा मान जाएगा. अरे दूसरों को खुश करने के लिए तुम खुद बुरा मान रहे हो. Why to do that? You don't try to make others happy unless you are happy. Because a simple rule is that you can only give someone what you have with you. When you yourself don't have happiness, what will you give to others? It's just a fake relationship that we are into. So, I don't say that सारा relationship तोड़ के घर निकल जाओ. No. Be the best in that relationship. Best of you in the relationship, not best of what others are expecting you to be. Don't be fake. आप जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो. The genuine people will come into your life. If you are trying to compromise as per the terms and conditions of others, you are just compromising your own self. And the moment you stop failing in acting, you will be kicked out of the movie. Totally. And then you will cry, why did I do this? Why did I do that? You don't have to do. This is a gift of nature. Don't spoil this because others want it to be spoiled. बहुत लोग होते हैं ना, आपको रोता हुआ देख के बहुत खुश होते हैं. And they think that this is my victory. Don't allow those kind of enemies to be victorious by being sad before them. Make this the rule of your life. Don't cry because of others' happiness. If someone who can shed tears with you is your own, if someone who laughs on your tears is your enemy, what kind of friend it is who don't want to see you happy? That friend can never be a friend.
Family members are jealous of you.
Who is a family member? Who is a family member? Family members are so close to you. Tell your family members that I'm going to die tomorrow. Will you die with me? That's all. Your only family is this: your lungs, kidney, heart, the parts of your body, how you look, how you appear. Maintain yourself. Be happy. खुश रहो. जो आपके साथ अच्छा है उसके साथ आप अच्छा रहो. जो आपके साथ जैसे है उसके साथ वैसे ही रहो. फैमिली मेंबर्स, नोबडी, कोई किसी का नहीं है. फैमिली मेंबर्स इसीलिए है क्योंकि आप उनको खाना बना के देते हो, सही टाइम पे परोसते हो, उनके लिए सब कुछ रेडी करके रख देते हो. तब तक फैमिली मेंबर. करना बंद कर तो पता चल जाएगा कितने फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं.
जिसके साथ जैसे जो बिहेव करता है वैसे ही बिहेव करता
हाँ.
है. उनको अपना बिहेवियर नहीं दिखता, लेकिन हमारा बिहेवियर
जब उनको दिखता ही नहीं तो फिर उनके सामने एक्टिंग करने का क्या फायदा? अगर किसी को you being a good person before everyone, the other person is not understanding you, keep on kicking your ass, and you are still being a good person, so stay kicked time and again. Be a football in the family. ऐसा नहीं चलता है. If you want me to be good, you have to be good as well. सिंपल सा रूल है. घर में एवरीडे देयर इज अ कंप्लेन, दाल में नमक ज्यादा है, चावल अच्छा नहीं पका है, आप पका के दिखा दो, हम खाते हैं. परफेक्ट. जितना बार बोलेंगे उतना बार उनको पकाने के लिए बोलो, कंप्लेन करना छोड़ दो.
का जवाब हो जाएगा ये.
चलेगा. ऐसे ही कौन सा लाइफ अच्छा है? When there is a war going on every day, why do you want to be acting? Don't have to act. Be real. So, what I was talking about, let's get back to the topic now. I was talking about the Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra. Heart chakra let it be practical. Let this not be a fake thing that ये दिल किसी और के लिए धड़कता है. Bullshit. ये दिल इसलिए धड़कता है because heart pumps blood and mixes oxygen with it. इसका और कोई रीजन है ही नहीं. और ये तब धड़कना बंद कर देता है जब आप सांस लेना बंद कर देते हो. When your lungs stop functioning, your heart gets affected and it gets choked. So ये practical. So hence focus on how you are breathing. Yes, heart is responsible for many sacrifices. The most important sacrifice is you are exhaling. If inhaling of oxygen is so important for you, it is also important for you to sacrifice what you have taken in. So what you are taking from the nature, you have to give it back to the nature. And then your life is possible. So इसीलिए किसी चीज को भी अपना मत समझो कि ऑक्सीजन मेरा बहुत प्यारा है, मैं इसको और भी भर लेती हूँ अपने साथ. ज्यादा भरेंगे तो अंदर से सफोकेट होकर मर जाएंगे. ठीक है, जो आया है उसको जाने भी दो, फिर नया आएगा, जाने दो. ठीक है, डोंट बी स्टक with emotions, sentiments, physically, nothing. Okay? So let's do 7 rounds of Anahata Chakra. The mantra is Yam. मंत्र भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. यम, यमराज. So, यमराज कोई स्केरी चीज नहीं है. यमराज इज द रीजन फॉर योर लिबरेशन. यमराज इज समथिंग हु रिलीजेस, ईजेस आउट योर सफोकेशन. अगर सिर्फ सांस लेते ही रहेंगे तो आप सफोकेट होंगे. तो यम इज एक्सेलिंग. यम नियम. देयर इज अ रूल इन योगा. यम नियम. यम नियम इज हाउ यू एक्सेल. Okay, so the rule is when you're taking something in, you also have to throw it out. Then only your mechanism will work. Okay, so sit straight. अपने दिल पे हाथ रखिए. ठीक है, breathe in. Yum. 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 After your heart chakra comes the last of the 5 elementary chakra, that is your throat, which represents space or sky. Means your throat gives you an opportunity to speak. Speech comes when there is a freedom. अगर मैं आपके मुंह पे हाथ रख के ऐसे मुंह बंद कर दूं और आपको बोलूं कि आप बोलो, आप बोल नहीं पाओगे, because you are not getting the freedom. आपको सांस लेने का, to create that space आपको मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. इसीलिए your throat has to be treated perfectly. The name of this chakra is Vishuddha. Why Vishuddha? Because this accumulates a lot of wish every day. Whatever emotions going on through your body related to the other 4 chakras, whether it's your confidence, your fear, your lust, your anger and everything, this all comes and accumulates on your throat. तो बॉडी में जो भी किचकिच चलता है ना, वो यहां से निकलता रहता है. आप अगर बीमार हो, ज्यादा देर बीमार हो, आपको कोई परेशान दे रहा है, उसको 10 गाली दे देंगे, वो भी यहीं से निकलेगा. तो ऑल द विश इज गेटिंग एक्यूमुलेटेड हियर. And the process of making it Shuddh means just diluting the poison that you have accumulated on the throat. This is called the Vishuddha Chakra process. The mantra, how will you dilute, how will you burn the wish? There has to be a fire. Hence, in the previous day, when we used to do Ahuti or Yajna, we used to recite Swaha. So Swa is inhalation, Ha is exhalation. So when you are doing the Vishuddha Chakra, the mantra Swa is been done with your inhale with the nostril, and Ha with the release of air from your mouth. Hung. Okay? 5 times. Deep breathe in. Silence. Now here, one by one, we have covered the 5 elementary chakra who are responsible for your Panchabhut Sharir. Now beyond these are 2 chakras which is beyond the capacity of Panchabhut. Here the universe is finished. Now what is beyond universe is the next 2 chakra. The 6th one is between your eyebrow or the 3rd eye chakra. Why it is called 3rd eye chakra? Because this 3rd eye doesn't see outside. This 3rd eye sees inside. The mantra for opening the 3rd eye, what it is looking inside is your Atma, your soul which is residing on the navel. Now with the reciting the 5 chakras, your blockages are open. Now this 3rd eye can clearly see the Atma inside, and it will now call the Atma to come and get established here. Once the Atma has come here, it will be above the universe, and hence that person who can see beyond the time, because now he is or she is above the universe, and that kind of person is called Trikaldarshi, because he can now see what has happened millions of years ago, what will happen millions of years after, and what is happening now. So you have seen, you must have heard about many of the famous saints who used to tell what's going to happen in future, who used to say what happened in your past and everything without even opening these physical eyes. Those kind of person have actually activated their 3rd eye chakra. The mantra for 3rd eye chakra is Om. Join your hands. without opening your eyes, keep both your hands above your head. Now you're outside of your body, hence there cannot be a pronunciation. Your mouth closed, eyes closed. Create a vibration that connects your soul to the super soul or Atma to Paramatma. Focusing towards the super space of the sky. Silence. Slowly drop your hands to the floor. Let your body be completely relaxed and eased out. Feel absolutely lighter. No heaviness in your mind. Breathe happily. Relax. Join your hands together. Repeat after me. नहिनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावका न चैनं क्लेद्यन्त्यापो न शोषति मारुता शांति 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 Rub your palms. Touch your eyes and spread your palm across your face with a bright smile. Thank you. Thank you.